How to make blueberry crumble. This easy blueberry crumble with perfectly cooked blueberries topped with a buttery oat crumble is high on our list of favorites. There's no fancy equipment needed, and you only need about 10 minutes of prep time. Ingredients: 5 cups blueberries fresh or frozen, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons flour. Topping: 1 cup flour, a quarter cup white sugar, a quarter cup brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half a cup unsalted butter cold, cut into cubes. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. In a medium bowl, combine the flour, white sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, and salt for the topping. 3. Using a pastry cutter, cut in the cold, cubed butter until it starts to stick together, about 3 to 4 minutes. If the mixture is powdery, it needs to be mixed more. Refrigerate while preparing the blueberries. In a 9x9-inch dish or a 2QT baking dish, combine blueberries, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 2 tablespoons flour. 4. Sprinkle the crumble topping over the blueberry mixture. 5. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes or until the top is golden brown and the fruit is bubbly. 6. Serve warm with ice cream. Notes: 1. When incorporating the butter into the topping mixture, mix until you see pea-sized clumps or slightly larger. This ensures a perfect crumbly texture. 2. Leftover blueberry crumble can be kept in a covered container in the fridge for up to 3 days. Enjoy it cold or reheat it in the microwave. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.